Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to be making the shoulder length coily wig. I'll be putting the list of the items in the description box. So we're using our Swiss net. You can get this Swiss net from any wig tool shop. So you cut out, I'm using a 5 by 4 inches net. The length is going to be 5, then the width is going to be 4 inches, making 5 by 4. So when after you finish cutting it out, you place it on your cap, on your dome cap. Make sure you use the dome cap because I noticed that the dome cap give fittings on your head. So use a dome cap, place it on your dome cap, then hold it with a pin. We've passed the place though, but I just want to make this voice note so that it will be more understandable. Place it with a pin, a T-pin to hold it down before you start. So make sure it is very flat so that your cap will be smooth by the time you wear it. This is me just sewing it. This is the stuff already sewn. You can see how flat the stuff is, the Swiss net is on my net. This is the concealer right here. I use this concealer to make the pattern I want. I didn't want a straight pattern, so I wanted the C curve pattern. So that is why I had to use the concealer for it to be accurate. So after then you start fixing your braiding hair one, like you do it on a line. You can fix like 4 or 5. I'm just using the pin to measure it. Just fix like 4 or 5 depending on the length of the net, the side you want to make. Then just watch and see how I braided it down. Just watch and see. So as you can see, we don't need a closure. You don't necessarily need a closure to make this wig, but it's just that after you finish making it, it's going to give you that look of a closure. But obviously you didn't use the closure to make this wig. So this wig is very fast and very easy to do. Just keep on watching the video, you're going to understand it better. And then one more thing, I'm using the feed-in braiding method to make this wig. I'm not using the Ghana weaving method. This is called the feed-in braid method. Just watch the way I'm keeping my hand to make it, or rather the way I'm passing the attachment. Just watch closely. I'll be making just two of them because I really don't want this video to be too long, so I'll be making just 2. And trust me, if you watch the video closely, you will understand every bit of it. It's not so hard. It's very easy. Just keep on watching and watch very closely. I just did the voiceover because I got so many requests of people asking me how I made the wig. That is why I had to use the voiceover. But trust me, when you watch the video closely, when you watch it very, very well, you will understand it. You don't even need the voiceover for this. You just understand it because it's very, very easy to make. So right here I'm done with the second one. This is the final look of the hair. If you find the video helpful, please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and also remember to click on the notification bell to always get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye. See ya. Bye bye.